Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you have not watched any of my videos before, hi, my name is Lisa. I run the channel GeekGirlFinds, and I wanted to share with you guys today a video and my thoughts about the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. If we can get it to focus, we'll really be in business. I've been wanting to try this for a while. Not that I have anything against Wet n Wild, the brand. Actually, they've been really surprising me with a lot of their products lately. It's just in my brain, this is a brand when I was growing up that was, I would spend my money on, as it was considered, cheap makeup for teenagers or whatever. Probably not the best quality at that time. And I have to say they've really stepped up their game. So I figured, since they were running a promotion at Walgreens, it was buy 3, get 1 free. Out of all their cosmetics, I figured now was a great time to try. So I went ahead and purchased it, and I have been wearing it for the last several days, and I wanted to do a video to give you guys my thoughts on it. So also while we're here, please do not forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. The next part of the video, I'm going to show you guys me applying it with a dry beauty blender. And then I'm going to give you my thoughts on the product and how well I think it performs. So we're back. So as you saw, my face prior was, I had no foundation on. I had just done a little bit of eye makeup for the video today. But I definitely look a little bit more put together now. The coverage, I think, is good, in my opinion. And I did add a little bit of bronzer and blush so I don't look like a dead person. But I think this foundation works really well. We went to an event for St. Patrick's Day, and it was humid. It's springtime in Houston, so things are getting kind of gross outside. And this lasted, I put it on maybe an hour and a half before we left. We were at the event for almost 6 hours, and wore it. When I got home and I was so tired, I fell asleep with it on. And I have to say, when I woke up, my face actually looked pretty good. I know that's a huge no-no. Do not go to bed with your makeup on. But sometimes that happens, so I'm human. But yeah, I like the coverage. I think it looks really good. And to me, if it lasted through that kind of evening and my skin was not an oil slick, to me, that's a winner. And I think it gives my skin a good look. If I'm wrong, let me know. But in my opinion, it looks pretty good. It's definitely worth the $5.99. I've had a lot of people say, like, maybe people, or I've heard people that have more oily skin, very oily skin, maybe have not had the best luck with this product. But if you're more of a combination skin, I think this would be perfect. I want to have, like, one of my daughters try this out just to kind of give more, figure out more about that. But all in all, I think it's pretty good. For $5.99, can't beat it. And if it doesn't work for you, give it to someone else. So, anyways, those are my final thoughts on it. Sorry I have not been around much lately. I have not been posting as much as I would like to. I've been working on getting a fantastic new job. I've been out of work for quite some time. And so I'm really hoping this pulls through, not just to be financially more sound, but, just to kind of get back out there. It'll probably help my self-esteem a little bit. And also I'll be making money so I can purchase more makeup to try with you guys. So there's all sorts of bonuses of me going back to work again. But I've only been posting about once a week right now, so I guess it'll probably stay the same. So, but anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And I will be seeing you guys very soon. Bye.